Remake da achu ikamdaya paubing. Ukraine Kamjong Olympic Association na Makokami Kare Winter Games Kupsang Haira. Jeribam Imphal Railway Line Otkasa 2022-23 Wivang Luba Kro Tinka Outlay Sami Haira. Lekhyang Thor Ajita Tangkhul Express Vipau Thangmeiring Chodang in Bamidley Paubing Maisai Nang Nangrumsa. Ukraine Kamjong Olympic Association na Makokami Kare Winter Games 2023 Kupsang Haira. Ngreong Hanje Ukraine Headquarter Li Rungmida January Tarau Tarik Tumrathang Haupok Laga Aya Kupsanga. Winter Games edition Krejli Ngahan Discipline Tarada Akha Kwikada Ukraine Kamjong District with Kangreo now Shajishat Magada Akhana Sharukuya. Manipur Equestrian Association with Secretary Sakza Manipur Olympic Association with Executive Member and Ibungo Chawbina closing ceremony with Maso Sara Vazanga. And Ibungo Chawbina Gahang Achiwi Winter Games Krejli Zanghai Kangreo Nauna Rakra Atamni Manipur Aina India with Mingning Sada Vang Reoshap Sigja Itum with Kapaning Ungshung Salakra Ukraine Olympic Association with President Games Chiwi Organizing Committee with Convener Bresho MK Shimre Nagahang Ngreo Gatay Naubing Machut Kui Kwai Discipline Kachida with Coach La in charge Li Shinag Haina Color talented players Bingli Semkuida Chui Kumaya Takli Kashung Saki Kachinada Bresho MK Shimre Hang Games Hog Pok Ranyeli Minister of Sports Govindas Ganthojam Singh Gazanglaga Ukraine Kamjong District with Sports Development Wivang Lubakro Hangpanga or Earmark Sakami Wivang MK Brishona Ningshi Pangshoga. Games Chile Gzang Kangreo Naubing Kala Tangkhul Naubing na Katomida Kare Winter Games Mapung Pagang Sak Wivang Brishona Ningasi Pangshoga. Ukraine Kamjong Olympic Association with Winter Games 2023 Football Final Match Haukok FC and Shiroi Youth Club Ngreo Haukok FC na Langkai Akane Yuhawa. Final match li mi Tingatum Shekana Vayanga da Hanga. Games Chile Matha Makeup da Gasali Gazang Chingrewung AS na Athletics Event li Madajishat Sampanga. Honpon now Kapangkui AS we now Mira Chingrewung AS na 100-meter race, high jump, long jump, shot put, relay race, 4x100, relay race, 4x400 triple jumps hipping li called Sangapangna Kala 200-meter race li silver Sampanga. Shinawi athletics events li Hongpung now Pemyam Simic 100-meter long jump 4x1000 relay and 4x4000 relay li called Kui shot put li silver Kala high jump li bronze Sampanga. Nungshong Kuno now KA Soton na high jump and triple jump li called javelin throw and long jump li silver Kala shot put 200-meter and 400-meter relay li bronze Sampanga. Games Chile Ukraine Olympic Association we ena Kangreo now Shabanga Tumrada Chishat Kamjong Olympic Association we ena Shakni Hang Chishada Gatumda Shirokuya. Ngreo Mahanjili Gazang Kangreo now Shatruk Magada Jigona Mayarnau Kala Shaka Hang Chigoda Kanina Shanauna. Jeribam do Imphal kilometer Shaka Tarada Akakasang Railway Line China Manipuli Indian Railways Network Li Tsangming Sakhaira Gaji Railways Minister na Hanga. Budget session Gazibli Rajya Sabha MP Laishamba Sanachawabana Kangahanli Ngahan Gagasada Minister of Railways Communication and Electronics and Information Technology Ashwani Vaishnavna Gahang Project Lupa 14,323 crore Kakawina March 31st, 2022 aina tangda lupa 12,371 crore shijin haira. Kala 2022-23 wivang lupa 1,000 crore outlay sahai leda minister jinahanga. Ashwani Vaishnav na gahang project we ot kasaji shogar na ngalay gakui land acquisition forest department kala authorities we ena clearance gakui geological topographical condition law and order kala chingyat higata hina atam chang sak haina chi MP Sanachawbana job reservation maram kanghali Ashwani Vaishnav na kahang railway siva Pan India Organization ngasada India we apam saikura we ena eligible sa saikura na railways postly thasang baya relaxation la preference malaymana the minister jina hanga Makamashung Aadhaar card we maramli la ngzekta Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology Rajiv Chandrasekhar na kahang Aadhaar hi secure sala kahai system na India we eligible richum now kachivali unique number kamina da hangsanga Karar ngohong yai kete kamkui phulungra da Kangpokpi Forest Division na sakchangda sadale 2022 to 23 alungli Kangpokpi Forest Division aina agencies kate jangda Pobilui Sakashiman od ngurut thrada chiko shida kuika khaira Chili Pobilui 590 acres Sashman mida FIR thrada mati thasanga Division Jili Central aina Senapati Division we foresters na katom mida Pobilui Sakashiman od manga kuiwa furada leidale Atumna drone survey li shichinda reserve forest land li yaruina Pombapa ngale shichinbapa kaje yangzada Popi mangmaningla reserve forest pamni key cultivation vasakha forest offense cases thasangrada hangmati naira Hapta kanjay phungli bom ngawokta fashion show ranye makok mi khwai wang khamya khalan mi hera apam chili ach fashion show ranye kwikarada Shakchangda Ngaran Gasana, Kala Fashion Show Jili Bollywood star Sunny Leon La Zangrada Lakesana, Kabom Kangok Ochot Chiwi Ena, Imphal East District Administration La Fashion Show with permission Cancer Sami Hera. Itum Natepai Pomji Ayangator Pungtruk Makai Shikali Kangawokna, Kula Mahilak Aina Mi Sakz Mushokmana. Fashion Show J Manipuri Handloom Aina Tourism Promote Sakavida Fashion Designer Ali and Tayawi. We House of Ali Gho Group Akana Makok Mirada Lakesana. Pauna Gahang Taka, Manipur we handloom li, Godom Kamiwi, Ming Aina Bollywood actors Hongra, Kachili Repair Group, Kaikana Panglak Aina Makamia Lehawa. Ochot we Chile, Imphal East District Magistrate na Jizukamiyati Shuda Hapta Kanjay Pungli, Fashion Barrett Event Law and Order Maintain Sakavai, Cancer Samihera. Imphal East District we Brahmapur Gurauli Pamli Korumshim Saka Kamang Wivang Prodes Pamjitera. Pauna Gahang Zingum Shagatum Gagahai Krishna Mimankala Korumshim Aka Zakmai Magataping na Ajahon Nya Sailung Sakamang Mihawa. A Pamjui Ramnau Shaka Langdana Sidin Prodes Pamda Otsakchili Kandem Sahira. Korumshimje Chamla Gahaya Akang Sada Manipur Ancient and Historical Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remain Act 1976 we azingi state na protect sakami apamakana. All Manipur Therma Raksha Simiti we founder chi Ranjit Sharma na gahang Therma Akali Rinda target Sarashum Gahahi authorities na Yangsang Miran Haira. Chidada Kamyo Miman Sakamang Kamije Zadra Gahai Kachang Gatumwe Alungli Ajuhina Kakanyang Sayada local MLA TH Sajya Bratana Hangda Anagatom Migapai Gatomira Chehira. Ukru Central School Smart Class Habokhaira. Smart Class Chi Pre-Nursery LKG Kala UKG Wivang Habokhamina. Ukru Central School Aya Aina Tangda Katamnao Tinga Shaka Tra Gahaira the Central School with Principal L. Robert Maitena Hanga. Itumna Paning by Ukru Central School he Cornelius Ramrona 2008 kum Hagopogna. Kala Aruri with Principal he Robert Maitena Sadale. Ajukum 2023 with school staff he Hangmatida Akalaya, chewing Chali, Kutumna, non-teaching staff, Chowkidar Shinawaka, Mirna Akadalaya, Kala Security Mirna Akalaya the Hanga. Ajukum, Ukru Central School with admission he Rakra Tarik Taradamati, Ainatang the Shomi delay, sit Rakrere Mirada Central School with Principal L. Robert Maitena Pau Miraya. La Luida Achu Kamataya Pauping. Ukru Kamjong Olympic Association na Makok Kami Kare Winter Games Kupsang Haira. Jeribam Imphal Railway Line Otkasa 2022 to 23 Wivang Lubakro Tinka Outlay Sami Haira. Achu Wipao Yenang Jangaira Pao Anada Lindatum Sai Korale Ringapagala Kamaya Zim Shong